Waba toyogera.
Okay, hello class.
Hello teacher. Hello teacher.
Dean, why don't you keep quiet?
I'm keeping you quiet, teacher.
John, sit properly. Okay, we are going to learn about opposites.
Opposite.
Yes. What's the opposite of seated?
Me teacher.
Kati gwe ng'ogimanyi.
Yes, Ebumla.
Village.
Clap for him.
Ogenda kulya ne ku matooke. Agenda kulya amatooke.
Why don't you speak English?
Siya wadde
Stupid. What's the opposite of citizen?
Neyo neeragiddemu.
You.
Ayo ye.
Hani.
Ye.
You.
Stand up and give us answer. God.
Opposite yaki?
Citizen.
Citizen.
Bakubulira kwera ng'okyankalanya mu class.
Citizen. Babakubuza.
Village.
Okay. Opposite ya city. Village. Kazi madam nkuwe opposite yaki?
Ya citizen gy'oba otya.
Maybe city. Village. City. Village. Village zini.